got your name on it? Zana? Who's Zana? You got the name Zana on this car. Oh. So this the address for this laundromat, guys. Let me take it outside, show you guys how it look like. This is Zama. Zama. It's raining outside right now. Dripping. Dripping. This is how it look. Small. This is your free dryer, so we got this low, this soap, using this soap. That low, that's 1, 2. It's got 30 something minutes. How many minutes that one got?
They want hot for the one, they want hot.
Oh, they won't, it don't know. Oh. You have most of that one. See, you know what time the laundromat still open, Mama? You know how long it's still open? At night? Wow. So, guys, you got to 11 o'clock and wash your clothes. Like the smaller machine, or like they got the junior, $4. And this is $7.50. And this is $7.50. It's just like different prices.